LeBron James is widely considered one of the greatest players in NBA history and also one of the most influential athletes. He's amassed quite the fortune between all his years on the court, business deals, and more. In this video, we'll be looking at one of the major ways LeBron spends his earnings, his real estate. The basketball star currently owns not one but two mega mansions in Los Angeles, each worth 8 figures, and we even found the actual listings. And that's not even all of them, but stay tuned and you'll see how many properties he owns. LeBron James is a professional basketball player in the NBA, currently playing for the LA Lakers, and like I said, he's considered one of the best in NBA history, being compared to icons like Michael Jordan, but that's also been the subject of debate. We can't deny LeBron is one of the greatest though. His accomplishments include 3 NBA championships, 4 MVP awards, 2 Olympic gold medals, and more. He's played for both the Cleveland Cavaliers and the Miami Heat before his current deal with the Lakers. And hailing from Akron, Ohio, his hometown, the state has always held a special place for LeBron. Maybe that's why he still apparently owns a mansion there. Off the court, LeBron has garnered more wealth and fame from numerous endorsement contracts with companies such as Coca-Cola, Nike, McDonald's, just to name a few. His public life has also been a media fixture over the years, and he's been ranked as one of America's most influential athletes. LeBron has built a serious empire, and with a yearly salary of about $100 million, his estimated net worth these days sits at a whopping $480 million. Hey guys, it's Kara, and today we're doing another house tour here on Famous Entertainment. We'll be looking at the basketball legend LeBron James and where he calls home with his family, including his 2 mega mansions in Brentwood, California, and more. You guys requested that I do some more athlete houses, so why not do one of the best? If you guys like these videos, make sure you're subscribed and ring that bell to be notified when we post so you can always be up to date. We've also done house tours in the likes of Michael Jordan and Kawhi Leonard, and we'll link to some at the end. Follow me over on Instagram to chat, and as usual, let me know whose house tour is next in those comments down below. Now let's get into this video. Although LeBron moved to Los Angeles once he signed to the Lakers, it's said he still continues to own a property in Ohio. This mansion is reportedly located in the Bath Township, which is a suburb of Akron, Ohio, none other than LeBron's hometown. The house cost him about $9.53 million and is described as a modern brick 2-story mansion. Although I didn't find too many photos of the inside of this place, aerial views shows its massive size. The estate spans about 3,000 square feet inside and has close to 6,000 square foot living area on the main floor. In total, LeBron's Ohio mansion has 20 rooms with 2 family rooms, 6 beds, 10 full baths, 6 half baths, a fully finished basement, and 4 fireplaces spread throughout. Other features of LeBron's house reportedly include a recording studio, 2-lane bowling alley, home movie theater, aquarium, barbershop, and more. LeBron even had an interview with Larry King in the backyard here, where he also has a pool, jacuzzi, garden, and a full basketball court. Back in 2015, it was reported that LeBron purchased a home in Brentwood, Los Angeles, which is a quiet upscale neighborhood on the west side. There are tree-lined streets and spacious mansions that stretch up into the hills. We'd later discover LeBron clearly loves this part of LA, considering he now owns 2 properties there. Although it was apparently an off-market deal, the first Brentwood home cost LeBron just under $21 million, and it's an East Coast style mansion in a really pricey pocket of the neighborhood. It was custom built in 2011 for a real estate developer and his family, designed by mansion specialist Ken Unger, and has a stone and white brick clad exterior. Inside, the house spans about 9,400 square feet of living space with 6 beds and 7 baths. There are 2 stories in the charming traditional looking home and a large bay window along the front of the house. Walking inside, there's a spacious entryway with sweeping staircase and ample living and dining rooms close by, with fireplace in both rooms and wide plank wood flooring. Less formal common spaces on the main floor include a state-of-the-art kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a round breakfast room lined with windows, and another family room that leads right out to the backyard. The master bedroom shares a 2-way fireplace with private sitting room, and there's an attached marble bathroom and private terrace. Most other guest rooms upstairs in the home have attached ensuite bathrooms as well, and there are balconies off the back of the home to take in the views. Outside LeBron's home, you'll find plenty of patio space for dining and lounging, and although the yard is on the smaller side, they still found room for plenty of features. There's a lap lane swimming pool, spa, open air cabana, and long slim deck with panoramic sunset views over the mountains. Brentwood home is beautiful, it wasn't enough for LeBron and he decided to add on to his real estate portfolio. He still owns this mansion but bought something even bigger and better in the same neck of the woods, which is where he's living with his family now. So let's take a look. More recently, in 2017, LeBron bought the home he and his family currently reside in, also located in the posh Brentwood area of Los Angeles. This is the mansion frequently shown on LeBron aka King James's Instagram, and we can see the time he's been spending with his children here, especially since he's been off his basketball duties during the global pandemic. At least they have a massive home to spend their time in. This mega mansion cost the NBA star just slightly more than his first Brentwood property at a whopping $23 million. LeBron's mansion was built in 2017, so it was all new for move-in and has a modern feel with marble touches in almost every room. Called a masterpiece of light and design on the listing, his mansion spans just under 16,000 square feet of living space with 8 beds and 11 baths, 4 of the beds with attached en-suites. There are natural French oak floors throughout the home, an open living plan on the main floor, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a neutral white focus color palette throughout. LeBron's home is of course fully gated and private with a large driveway/motor court leading up to the front door. Moving into the NBA star's mansion, there's a gorgeous entry and we can see that there's a tower with floor-to-ceiling windows beside the front door too. In fact, the entire mansion is fitted with plenty of windows and high ceilings, letting in a lot of natural light. Like many multi-million-dollar California homes, it has an indoor-outdoor flow between the living spaces and yard. One of the main living rooms has full sliding glass doors, making you feel as if you're outside already. There's more than one family room and dining area on the main level of his home, and one of the casual areas flows right into the kitchen. LeBron can cook comfortably in his custom chef's kitchen or hire someone else to do it for him, but whatever he prefers. Either way, the kitchen is airy, has a French range, black and white marble, and matching islands. LeBron also has a custom office with wood accents throughout where he can work on his business deals. There's floor-to-ceiling windows here, built-in shelving, a flat-screen TV, and more. Moving on to the bedrooms, the master suite LeBron shares with his wife has gotta be the most impressive. Not only is the room spacious, there's also a gorgeous custom walk-in closet and a private walkout terrace. Their ensuite dual marble bathroom has both an open room rain shower and freestanding tub. I think every couple's bathroom should be dual. I mean, who wouldn't like their own space there? Just when you thought the upper level of the home was the highest you could get, the mansion's elevator can also lead you to the rooftop terrace to take in picture-perfect views of LA. Of course, there are plenty of other fancy features in LeBron's Brentwood mansion, such as the games room with billiards table, the spacious and modern home movie theater, and the cigar room complete with high-tech air purifying equipment. And if you thought all of that makes the place perfect for a night in, there's more space to entertain guests on the lower level with the full onyx bar, one of the home's highlights, and the expensive wine cellar. I wonder how many boys' nights LeBron hosts at his home. In an interview with Business Insider, LeBron said he works out 5 days a week in the off-season and every day during the NBA season. His home gym at the mansion is half indoors, half outdoors, and connects with a steam room, sauna, spa, and massage room to cool down after exercising. Moving outside of LeBron's home, the impressive features just keep going. The luxurious outdoor patio has flooring made of marble like much of the house, and there's a heated dining loggia with long table and room for plenty of guests. The outdoor kitchen also has a barbecue and beer taps, just adding to the perks of the home. An oversized pool is a must-have for any multi-million-dollar home, especially in LA, so we can't forget the large pool and spa here. Not only is there a brick courtyard for parking luxury cars, there's also what's called an auto gallery where LeBron can display his collection. And it's good that there's a lot of space because he reportedly has many wheels from his Lamborghini Aventador, Porsche 911, and a restored 1975 Chevy Impala. Looking at LeBron's Brentwood mansion from the luxurious bath to the expansive living spaces, onyx bar, and more, his serene and modern home is fit for a king. Despite spending $23 million on the place, apparently LeBron is still making some changes. According to TMZ, he's adding a basketball court, indoor wine tap, dude loves his wine, and is working on the paperwork to get a pizza oven while also making changes to the theater and pool. But when you're LeBron, you can afford to make your dream home anything you want. Alright, so that's all I got on NBA superstar LeBron James and his mega mansions. We've seen a glimpse of his property in his hometown of Akron, Ohio, the house he bought in Brentwood, LA in 2015, and the even bigger Brentwood mansion he currently lives in with his family worth $23 million. After seeing LeBron's homes, which was your favorite? I think the obvious answer has got to be the latest Brentwood home, considering the spacious modern design and all of the features. I mean, the man's got everything from a movie theater, elevator access, rooftop, and even a cigar room. But you guys let me know which you like best down in the comments, as well as what other celebrity houses you'd like to see. Follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already and you want to chat, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!